Ladies and gentlemen, in the past, creating engaging quizzes for your website or training program used to take hours of boring data entry and formatting. But what if you could automate everything and generate a professional assessment in just a few seconds? Keep watching. To find the best quiz maker, you need to create a quiz online. Let's dive in. Once you officially log into this thing called ProProfs, here's what you need to know. It's super easy and simple to get started. At the top left of the dashboard, you will see training, quiz, and survey makers. There's a lot you can do here. Let's do a quick quiz. Go to create quiz. See these prompts. In this little box, you will be able to easily enter something. For example, we have create a 10-question scored quiz titled Entrepreneurship Knowledge Test, designed to assess participants' understanding of the basics. Alright, so this is very important. So technically the basics of, let's say, entrepreneurship concepts. Let's actually add that in there. So there you go. Now we're going to click right here on generate quiz. You can also upload files like PDFs, docs, or TXT files. We are just going to click over here to generate. So I want you all to see how you can easily let the AI instantly do all the heavy lifting and research for you. It does everything right here. This is honestly the fastest way, in my opinion, to get your online assessment up and running without having to start from a completely blank page. So you guys can actually see it right here. I mean, it's done everything, right? So we've got 10 questions, all right. What's the primary goal of an entrepreneur? Which of the following is a common source of funding for startups? That's actually a good one. I like that. Wow, look at these answers. That's pretty cool. A business plan typically includes which of the following sections, right? True or false? Entrepreneurs are always risk takers, right? So you guys can see there are a lot of quizzes, right? There are a lot of questions for this quiz and a lot of answers. You guys, it did this so fast, maybe in 20 to 30 seconds, which is actually really cool. Alright, so you guys, I want you to understand whether you're an educator, or let's say a marketer, or maybe an HR professional, ProPress quiz maker, honestly, this is the tool I think you need. Alright, especially for making quizzes online seamlessly. Very important. You guys get that. So technically, it supports everything from highly secure scored tests for employee training and retention to fun, viral personality quizzes designed to capture leads, which is actually awesome. Okay, very important. You guys get that. I also want you guys to know there are other things you can do as well. Sophie, actually go down here to the bottom. You guys will see that we have themes. So we do have popular themes. This is the themes button. Alright. You can usually change things like the background. For example, this is actually pretty cool. I like it. I really like that. And not only that, you guys, but I want you to understand something else. You can even upload, let's say, a mock company logo, which is actually pretty cool too. You can change the layouts. You can see that, right? So pretty cool. Yeah, there are a lot of things you can do, right? We even have custom options. Okay, again, you can change this. There are a lot of things you can edit. You can completely customize the visual experience so the quiz actually matches your website perfectly. We have backgrounds. We've got font color. We have font family. We have font size, we even have buttons, and then we even have alignments. So technically, you guys, you can easily embed multimedia, like let's say even YouTube videos, images, and even audio clips directly into your questions to make them super interactive. So I want you guys to understand that. Okay. So, you guys can even see, obviously, we've got settings, we've got send, and we even have reports. Okay. You can go over here obviously and keep track of everything too, like for your quizzes. But I also want you guys to understand, you can go over here to see all questions. You can see exactly how these look. And then what else do we have? Well, we even have results. So for results, we've got pass and fail. You can do letter grading as well, good or excellent. You can set up the scores. And once again, we have the popular themes. All right. So technically, you guys, the platform actually automatically grades the quizzes in real time. That gets rid of the need for any kind of manual review. So reviewing one by one. So it takes that off your whole team's plate, which is great. It can even grade and suggest feedback, let's say, for essay-type questions. So obviously, if you're an instructor, no matter what industry you're in or what you're using this for, I want you all to understand that by using this, you can get feedback for essay-type questions. For instructors like you can adjust the score. You can adjust the feedback for essay questions before actually releasing the report to the quiz takers, which is actually pretty cool. Now, you can even easily attach a lead capture form to the start or end of the call in your quiz. So we're talking about collecting names and email addresses before actually revealing the results and sending them directly into your CRM. So there are a lot of different things you all can actually do here. Alright, so once again, you guys, we've got ProProf's Quiz Maker. It combines incredibly fast AI generation with deep customization and robust automated grading and reporting, all in one easy-to-use platform, which is great. Now, it also offers advanced security settings like password protection. They've got time limits and proctoring and anti-cheating measures, which is absolutely perfect, especially for corporate compliance testing. And once again, you've got Training Maker, Quiz Maker, Survey Maker. We've got users, classrooms, and instructors. Check this out. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to build engaging assessments in record time? Well, check out the link down below in the description to try ProProf's Quiz Maker today and launch your first quiz literally within minutes. Not only that, be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell me how you feel. We'll see you in the next one.